Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman, and today we have Campbell Dawson from Elstree and Ross Greenwood from Channel 9. Ross, we'll kick off with you, one of the big banks, ANZ.
Yeah, look, ANZ I think has got a great strategy. I think that the ANZ strategy of going into Asia in particular gives it growth, where even if the Australian credit growth does start to build, and despite the fact they've had a massive run already like all of the banks have, I think there's still upside there. And until you start to see interest rates starting to rise, I think your banking stocks, as credit growth picks up, will keep on going.
It's a buy. Okay, it's had a good run, Campbell?
No, I've got it as a hold to a sell. So I don't think Asia, over the long term, they'll ever make as much money as they do in Australia. And so that's long term, it's not a buy, but at the meantime, the yield will hold it up. So.
Okay, an area that's done incredibly well, general insurance. Insurance Australia.
IAG's gone through the roof, hasn't it? Yeah. Now I think it's a well-run company. It's a great story. It's a great competitive situation, but unfortunately the share price has gone too far. So it's trading well over 2 times in TA, which is well above what you pay for insurer. Yep.
Okay, long cycles insurance. What do you think, Ross?
Yeah, you've got significant competition in this space still. Remember that all the big players have wanted to take each other over. So yeah, my gut feel is while that competition's still there, they probably are a sell at these high levels.
2 sells, great. Let's go to retail property, CFS.
Yeah, retail and office, very low gearing. It's been one of the best performers over the past couple of years, but because it's trading over NAV, it's a sell.
Do you like it over asset backing, Ross?
Well, you've got to. I mean, retail's going to improve. You've got interest rates down. The question is, what are those asset values going to do in the future? And that's going to determine where the price goes. But clearly, you're always very nervous buying a stock such as this, which is above its asset value.
Let's go offshore, telcos, Telecom New Zealand.
Telecom New Zealand, I mean, there you go. You've got an established market. How do you grow? And that's the question. You can only grow with your population. If the New Zealand population and or its use of telecommunications is not growing more than the market, then you've got to say there's probably other things you should be buying. So I'd sell it.
Okay, sell, Campbell.
Yeah, low growth, but the yield's interesting. Like yield's up around 7%. So I suspect there'll be people buying it on the basis of that. So I think it's a hold.
Okay, Ross, David Jones.
You think about what's coming this year. You've got already Zara. You've got H&M coming. You've got Topshop already here. You've got Uniqlo coming. There's all sorts of other companies, retailers. They don't try and slice them up. So sadly, I think they're a sell.
Market has loved this stock in the last 3 or 4 months. Buy or sell?
It's a sell. Like they've been closing our department stores since Mark Foy's in Malton. So this one will go the same way.
Thank you very much.